What's up guys, Trader CJ from Cross Capital. So TopstepX, the platform from Topstep, the new kid on the block, it's actually been awesome to trade with. The guys are adding new features every single day almost, and so it helps with the trading, and the guys understand what the traders need, and so they build it into the platform. And it's like I said, it's just upgrading the whole time. So I know most guys, I'm not familiar with all the features in the platform, so I'm going to give you a rundown. First of all, the layout. I'm going to talk about the layout, how to set it up, and then secondly I'm going to talk through the trading, the actual executing of orders, putting in brackets, the time and sales filters, the orders filters, and using trailing stops and everything. So there's going to be a bit of a more extensive tutorial or extensive video, so hopefully with this will help you guys with all the features in TopstepX and how to use it, and all the streaming and the copying of trades. So just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is purely for entertainment purposes. The trading I'm doing, so don't copy my trades. So yeah, let's just, first of all, the layout. So the layout, this is a trading view chart the guys are using, so it's very similar to trading view. So if you guys are familiar with trading view, so this would be just easy to using the lines, and all the drawings on the chart is very similar to trading view. So you can use, like I said, horizontal lines and everything. You can drag and drop it, is very similar to that. So also changing the time frame, you can use it here. The type of chart you can use. So no, most people, I'm gonna stick to this. Like I said, you guys are familiar with the trading view, so I'm gonna go through in detail with this and just how to use it. Alright, so in terms of adding components to this whole layout, you can just press on this plus sign or add components. You can, for example, add a new chart. Just drag it. You can drag it wherever you want to. So let's say, for example, I want to add a second layer here on this chart. You just drop it there. You can close this one, and now you can see there's two tabs. So chart with this tab. So if you want to move it, you can just drag it to a new place. For example, you want to drop it here or here, or even this side. You can just drop it there if you want to. If you want to close it, just press on that X to close the chart. So I know most people use multiple charts or multiple instruments they want to trade and want to monitor. So what my setup is, I've opened a new tab on the top here for a different instrument. So for example, if this is my layout for gold, I would open a new tab for, let's say, for example, Nasdaq. So if you want to do that, you can open new window here. So if you press open new, it opens a new tab in your browser, and it will open, and you can save that. So for example, if you want to save this layout, this specific like this, I'm not going to change this. Okay, this is currently ES. So I want to change this. Let's say, for example, save as a new layout. You can type in, let's say, ES. I'm going to name it for YouTube, and you save that. So this whole tab is for the ES YouTube. Okay. So I want to show another feature. So for example, if you want to add some more components, you just add components, you add your order tab, that's the one sitting there currently. I've got the dome here, my accounts tabs are here, positions, trades, so everything is dragged into, say for example, this here. Okay, and then time and sales is the one sitting here. So So that's one there, sitting here. Alright, and then tilt also, it's down here. Let's do one there. So everything is currently dragged onto this layout. You can see this yellow buttons here. So everything's linked with the yellow link. So if you want to change that to, for example, let's make it a red one. So if I want to change everything to red, see if I change this to CL, so only these two are going to change to crude oil. The other ones won't change. So you need to link that. So let's keep it on red. I'm going to change this to red as well. If you want to change the chart, you're going to go here at a search. You're going to clear this. Type in red. It will show red link. Press that. Now it's linked to red. Okay. So that's how you. Now, if you want to change to a new instrument, you can just go to the drop down and change it to the Dow, the YM, and everything is supposed to change. On this side, I'm just going to clear that. For example, I'm going to add a dome here on the right hand side. Let's move this. Okay, so CL. Everything is CL now. Everything is YM now. You can see the chart, the order, time and sales, and this one. I'm going to change it back to the ES because this is the ES layout. I'm going to save this layout. I'm going to go back to my other tabs here. So you can save this one as a, let's say, YM for YouTube. Save this, and you can change it to, I want to quickly make it blue here. Blue link, time and sales, the order tab, and the dome. I'm going to change it to the YM. Now this is saved as YM. It's going to save this layout. Okay, great. So this is my ES tab, and this is my YM tab. So this window you can use in a different screen. So now everything is linked to that. One screen is, for example, the YM. If everything is the same, so you can have multiple tabs up here. Okay, so I'm gonna close some of these. I'm just gonna show you guys. Close this. This is for gold. This is not saved, so I'm gonna use the ES for now. Okay, great. So that's how you drag and drop everything into it. So if you want to move this specific window, I want to move it here next to the chart. It's supposed to go there. There we go. Let's move there. So if you want to filter the time and sales, you can make it bigger there. So it only shows the size contract of 2 there, and it's 1. So even if I'm going to change it to the MNQ, so everything should change to MNQ, the micro Nasdaq. Okay, so that's the whole layout thing. I'm going to go to settings here on the left hand side. So if you want to, you can actually just hide your balance, and all of these you can hide. That's the information on top here. If you want to actually stream something, and you can save that, you will see it's been hidden. Unhide that. Okay. So in terms of the data speed, you can put it to fast, but if your internet is not that great, just keep it on medium or slow. The information is actually just not too bad. So it just happens when there's news that come out of the it's news like non-farm payrolls or something. The market's moving very quickly, and your information gets stuck or orders get stuck or something like that. Just check your data speed. So it just doesn't need to be show to be fast. So now you can also put in a personal daily loss limit. So I know, for example, the 50k account, there's a loss limit of $1,000 for the day, but you can put in your own personal daily loss limit of 500. So you won't be able to trade after that. It just stops your trading, so you can save that if you want. So, and then for every single trade, you can put in a risk and a take profit label for a trade you put in. So I put it in 100 for now, 100 take profit, and I'm going to automatically apply that default risk profit parameters to my trading. So order confirmation I haven't ticked, so if I don't want to confirm every time when I do a trade. Some people ask about copy trading. So if you have 2 or 3 or 4 accounts here, you can put in your leader account with your following accounts. You can put it here and then use that to copy your trading. So that's very easy, can be done just off the screen here. Going back to the trading side of it, so let's talk about trading and a couple of settings we can use with your trading. So we're currently on the M&Q, so let's positions. So I'll show you guys, there's a quick setting as well on the DOM. There's a setting you can, if you don't want to use the join bid, join ask stuff, you can hide it here, the volume profile on the side. That's this on the side here of the DOM. If you want to remove that, you can as well. The reverse position, I don't use that, so I'm going to hide it and cancel all. Okay, so you can also change the size of the DOM, for example. So it's currently small, I'm going to change it to large just to show you guys. So now it's a bit bigger. Move this over so you can see. Change it back to small. Okay, so that is, so currently it's out of the current market is at 765, so you can see it's out of the screen here. To automatically auto center it, just press on this button here, A auto center on last price. Now it's gonna, the DOM is gonna stay in the middle. The last traded price is gonna stay in the middle, but sometimes it's not easy to put in an order. If you want to put in a limit order to want to buy on the bid here at, let's say 764.5, you see how it moves. So that's why I untick it. For me, it's just easier to put in. I want to put in a price. You can just manually center it like this, and just wait for. Okay, I want to put in a price. For example, yeah, put in a limit of at 63.25. So I can cancel it. This X is out of the. You can see it's cancelled. So that's how I use it. Just manually center it. I can actually just see where the price is. So, right. So then you can put in market orders, limit orders, stop market orders. That's a bit of a breakout. You want to see where I want to do a breakout above this 770. Let's say 771. I'm going to change that to 71. Let's say okay, buy stop at that price. You can see it how it changes there. That's a number of contracts. So if I put in, okay, I'm going to put in a buy stop at that price, it will show there. You can also cancel it here if you want. I'm going to or you can drag it. If you want to drag it to this price here, you can leave it there. So going to, you can see there's nothing in positions currently. It says buy stop. Go to orders. but this, it shows everything. It just shows open, cancel, fault, everything. So how you want to go to status, you can go to this menu tab there, you go to filter, and you can filter to open. So if you filter that, it only shows, so you see it's filtered only the open orders currently on this thing. So you can actually cancel it just here as well. So it's a couple of places you can cancel. You will also see it. If I go up here, there we go. Buy stop, 1, 2, 3 places to cancel that. So, okay, that's cancelled. Only shows the open orders currently. Okay, so I'm going to show you the trailing stop as well. So I'm going to buy one contract here. Order filled. You can see currently my risk parameters are not applied. So no stop losses, no take profits. Going back to trading, so that wasn't saved. So I'm going to show you the trailing stop. Now also this thing is not filtered. So filter to open. My positions, you can see here, you can close the position there, close it here, or if you want to put in I'm going to put in a target limit order there, or I want to trail this thing. If I'm going to put this higher, so I'm currently long, I'm going to trail with, let's say for example, 30 ticks. So it'd be a selling. I'm going to sell my position, and it's going to trail with 30 ticks. So sell that. So it's currently trading with 30 ticks. You can see as the market moves higher, it's going to move up my stop loss. So you can remove that as well if you want, or move it a bit higher. Which one hits first? So you can see. So what happens? It's going to sell one contract at this price, 7.52 3/4. Okay, so you can also move that away if you want. It will automatically applies the new trailing parameters. So as the thing moves up and down, or actually up, it's going to move this trailing stop higher. So that's a nice feature the guys put in to quickly change your trailing stop as well. Alright, so I'm gonna cancel all and close my position, and then I'm gonna show you the risk parameters that need to be automatically applied to this position. So flatten all, so everything is cancelled, so everything is flattened. Okay, so going back to my settings here, I'll put it in 100, let's make it 80 and 80. Automatically applies, saved. Okay, going back here, I'm going to do a normal market order. So let's say buy. You can see the risk parameters are automatically applied to this bracket order basically, so you can move the bracket order as well. So even if you buy some more contracts, I'm going to buy another one for you guys. It's also, it is not applied. I'm not sure why it didn't apply. Usually it applies to that. Okay, not sure what happened there, but yeah, it did apply that risk parameter of selling 2 contracts on a stop loss and an automatic take profit. I'm not sure it didn't update immediately, but yeah, that is done. So now I'm currently long 2 contracts here. I want to sell one here on the chart. Move that down a bit. You can even change it here. You can drag it here if you want as well. to this level, say for example, or down a bit. Okay, now I'll show you guys, it will automatically adjust the, supposed to adjust, not sure why it's not, maybe it's my internet or something that's not working. But it refreshes. We set the chart view again. When I go back here, back to my trading, now it's just has adjusted, but the stop loss was the same, so I'm not sure. It's a bit of a glitch here, but yes, okay, that's how it works. And I've used it before, so it automatically just changes the bracket as you enter and exit of trades. So, alright, so I'm gonna move that. Let's have it on to just above break even. Whatever hits first. Okay, so move that down. Okay, so it's easy to trade from the chart, and you can make this bigger if you want and make it full screen with this button here, and you can see it. Okay, cool. I'm going to trade from this and put my take profit there or wherever, maybe above this liquidity level. Alright, that is basically how you use TopstepX with some of the features. You can close the position there. I'm going to back to tilt. Some guys are using tilt, but that's a different indicator. You can use it as you wish. I've just shown you how to use the basics on the chart with all the features to drag and drop it using bracket orders, copy trading, the dome, how to use that as well. So I hope this video helped you guys a bit in terms of understanding how to use the platform. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know something else, or I'm not sure how to use some of the features. Reach out to me or someone, and yeah, we can look into it and maybe look how to help you guys out. You can look at the performance as well. Going back to the trading, look at my trade, yeah, and monitor that. Like I said, you can open new charts or new tabs. Okay, I don't want to go over all the additional trading view measurements and indicators you can use. That is a different video. I have just wanted to show you guys how to link to TopstepX and all the features. Alright guys, I hope it helped you guys. All the best with trading. Let me know in the comments. Like I said, cheers.